Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Mira from Mira Royal Detective. Grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, we're going to draw two eyes. I'm going to draw two almond-shaped eyes. And on the other side, let's do the same thing. Then inside the eyes, we're going to draw two pupils, irises, and light reflections, top and bottom. Let's color the pupils in. Right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little nose, and right below that, a smile. Now we can draw a top lip, and then we can draw the bottom lip. And we're going to make her mouth a little bit open like this. There we go. Now right on top of the eyes, we're going to do the eyebrows. Just going to do two lines, and then we're going to do the top of the eyebrow. Now right on top of the eye as well, now we can draw the jawline. Now I'm going to start here at the eyelash, make it nice and round down, and then from here I'm going to continue with it to the eyelash. And then we're just going to draw the hair. So I'm going to draw a line both sides. And now from here, I'm going to draw some hair on the side. Just two pieces because I want to draw the ear. But before I draw the ear, I'm going to draw some earrings both sides. And then right behind the earrings, I'm going to draw a little ear going up. But you're not going to touch the other lines. Now I'm going to draw the front of the head, or the hair. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a nice fringe outwards. And here I'm going to make another piece of hair sticking out, and I'm going to take it to the back and make it round like this. And then I'm just going to make it nice and round on top. And I'm going to touch it right there. From here, I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to draw hair. I'm just going to take this up all the way, and I'm just going to touch the hair on top and make a little line there. This side as well. There we go. Next up, I'm going to start with the body. Start with the neck, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to stop right there, and from here I'm going to draw the dress. So I'm going to draw a straight line down, and I'm going to take it out like this. And on this side, the same thing. Let the line curve outwards, and then on both sides. But we're not going to touch. We're going to leave a space open. And here you're going to draw a triangle like this. And then right here on top, you're going to draw another V shape going down. And now you can connect these two lines with each other. A collar on this side and on that side. Now I'm going to draw some interesting lines here in her jacket like this. There we go. I'm just going to draw this series of bumps, and I'm going to copy it on this side as well. And then you can complete it right there. And there you have a royal jacket. Now they have some sort of curly thing here on the side. So I'm just going to draw a little line. I'm going to draw another line there. And I'm just going to draw something like this. And let's do it on this side. And there. And then we do the same thing there as well. And then I'm just going to make a nice curvy little thing sticking out there and here as well. go. Now we can go on to her arms. On this side, a little line there for interest, and a little ball shape for a hand. Let's do it on this side as well. Sleeve, and a little ball shape. Now we can do the hair on both sides. So I'm going to start right here and draw a piece of hair out, and I'm just going to copy it on this side as well. Now that I've copied that, now I can draw little individual strands of hair hanging out. There we go. Maybe up there, and maybe here is one as well. Let's do it on this side as well. Maybe I'm going to start right up there. Take it back. There we go. Okay, this one will go behind her arm, come out there and there. Now we can draw the rest of her body. I'm going to draw a little horizontal line and another line, and maybe another line there as well. And now I'm going to start with the legs. This time I'm going to draw a straight line down for her feet. And from here I'm just going to make a little curly line out for her leg, and I'm going to take it up to her body or to her jacket. And this side I'm just going to try to copy this as well. And then there's a golden bangle or something on her ankle, so I'm just drawing that. And now we're going to draw the feet. So I'm just going to draw two blocks that stands like this, skew blocks, just like that. And now from here I'm going to draw the top of the foot, and I'm just going to make this curvy shape, and I'm going to do this on this side as well. There we go. And now we're going to draw the foot. Take it back to the line in the middle, and from the line in the middle you can do the same thing. And there's Mira. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Mira would look great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.